Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off live in your Shopify store. It means that you are not going to show your store to public. How to do that? Let's come to the computer screen, and here you will find an option setting. Here we go. Now here you have to click the second option, plan, and in plan you will find your plan. In my case, I am here and I have to deactivate the store, and when you will select this option, you will find two more options here: pause and build, and start a new store. If you want to build your store or you want to have some maintenance at your store, then you can pause and build this. And if you want to start a new store and deactivate it, and I need to take a break, completely deactivate store, so you can select any option depending upon your needs. This is the way how to unpublish or deactivate your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.